Now we're in the kitchen. Our holiday meal is ready. We have our wonderful, wonderful mac and cheese. Don't forget, on that bechamel sauce, you can add any kind of cheese you like. You can add some mozzarella, some chopped cheddar, whatever to your heart desire. People love to mix up the cheeses in the mac and cheese. And don't forget to make that wonderful buttery, crunchy topping. Use your favorite cracker. I like the buttery golden cracker more so. Also, you can use 1 to 2 sticks of butter and you crunch up your crackers, put it on the top, return it to the oven to get this wonderful, wonderful crispy topping. Here, next we have our red velvet cake. On our red velvet cake, the secret to the red velvet cake is, don't forget, I like to taste the batter a little bit because you don't want it to be the secret ingredient cocoa, as we know. We don't want it to be too chocolate. We don't want it too overpowering, but it's so surprising when people taste that cream cheese frosting mixed with that chocolatey goodness, ooey gooey goodness. Don't forget it has buttermilk in it and a little vinegar in it. All our wonderful old-fashioned flavorings. This is a wonderful favorite. I like to take our Southwest Georgia pecans and sprinkle it on there, which gives us that wonderful, wonderful, wonderful addition, that crunch. On our cornbread stuffing, okay, or dressing, we have, if you put it in the turkey, they call it stuffing. If you have it out in a casserole dish and bake it in an oven, they like to say that is a dressing. Either way, it's good. We showed you how to put that together. Don't forget to save those pan drippings from that turkey. That makes it nice and moist, but then you return it to the oven to get that crunchy, crunchy goodness on the top there also. Hopefully these tips will get your holiday off on the right track. For more details, go to mysouthwestga.com. I'm Miss Loretta for Good Day. Happy holidays.